To integrate Debank with Coinbase Wallet, start by opening Debank and clicking on the Add Wallet button in the top right corner of the screen. Select Coinbase Wallet from the list of available wallets and you will be redirected to the Coinbase website. Here you will need to enter your Coinbase login credentials to authenticate your account. Once logged in, you will be asked to authorize Debank to access your Coinbase account. Read the permissions carefully and click Allow to grant Debank access to your account. You will then be redirected back to the Debank website where you will see your Coinbase wallet listed under the Wallets tab. To complete the integration, click on the Connect button next to your Coinbase wallet and you will see a list of all the assets held in your wallet. You can then track your assets and view detailed analytics and insights on your portfolio. It is also important to note that you should only integrate your Coinbase wallet with Debank if you trust the platform and understand the permissions you are granting. Always prioritize the security of your cryptocurrency assets and be cautious when giving any third-party access to your wallet. By following these steps, you can successfully integrate your Coinbase wallet with Debank and start tracking your assets today. Remember to always keep your login credentials and wallet information secure and only use reputable and trusted platforms to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio.